Time to bust some myths. Ready to separate fact from fiction? Let's dive in. Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Totally false. Studies show that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis, it's just gas bubbles popping in your joints. So, no need to worrying. Holding a metal object during a thunderstorm makes you more likely to get struck by lightning. Actually, lightning doesn't care what you're holding, it strikes the tallest object around, metal or not. So, you're not a lightning magnet. Ever heard that goldfish only have a 3-second memory? Busted. Goldfish can actually remember things for months. They're smarter than they look. Myths busted, facts uncovered. Like, share, and comment if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick bits.